Good morning, all of you. Myself, Neha teacher, and today I'm welcome all for online session organized by BMC. So we start our session with a song. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's sing a song. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Repeat after me. Good morning. Say good morning.
Good
Hello,
morning.
and how are you?
You and how are you?
In the morning. I
In
say
the
good
morning.
morning.
In the morning.
I say good morning.
I say good morning.
Hello, and how are you?
Hello and
Hello.
how
And
are
how are
you?
you? In the morning, I
In,
clap my hands.
in the
In the
morning.
morning,
Clap my
I clap
hands.
my hands. In the
My
morning,
hands.
I do my dance. In the
I do my
morning,
dance.
I do my dance. In the
I do
morning,
my dance.
in the morning, I
In the
shout
morning.
hooray.
We shout morning.
This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good
Going to
morning.
morning. Good
Hello,
morning.
and how are you?
Hello and how are you?
In the morning,
In the morning,
I say good morning.
I say good morning.
Hello, and how are you?
Hello and how are you?
In the morning,
In the morning,
I clap my hands.
I clap my
I
hands.
clap
My
in
hands.
the morning.
In the morning,
I do my dance.
I do my dance.
In the morning,
In the morning,
I shout hooray.
I shout hooray.
This is going to be a wonderful day.
This
This
is
is
going
going to be
in.
a wonderful day. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Hello, and how are you?
Hello and how are you?
Are you enjoy the song?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, all of you. So today we discuss about a new topic, that is a new place. New topic and a new place, that is hospital. Okay. So now everyone know the hospital, place
Yes.
hospital. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Can anyone tell me what do you see in the hospital?
Watchman.
Hmm?
What boy? Nurse. Doctor.
Excellent, excellent, excellent answer.
And one big
Um,
room.
very,
Is full
very
of
good,
beds.
very good. Yes, we see a doctor, patient, ward boy, nurses, right? We see ambulance in front of the hospital. Yes, we see a different wards. We see a lab, X-ray department.
Excellent department.
Yes, yes,
And
yes, yes.
security.
Yes.
Security. Traffic man.
Very good. Very good. So all these things we see in the hospital. Can anyone tell me why do we going to the hospital?
Check up on.
Why? Why we are going to the hospital?
become fever, I go to the hospital.
Say loudly, Babu.
I become fever, I go to the hospital.
Yes. Whenever we become ill, feel uncomfortable, so that time we are going to the hospital, right? Otherwise, if suddenly several pains are going on in our body, that time we are going to the hospital. Sometimes uh, we are going to the hospital for meet the patients, right?
Accident people.
Say loudly.
Accident people.
Yes, sometimes accidents are going and the people are going to the hospital for emergency. So that's why we are going to the hospital. We see a different ward, nurses, patient, ward boy, watchman, ambulance, medical department in the hospital. And whenever we become a feel uncomfortable or we become ill, that time we are going to the hospital for a treatment. Now I'm sharing a picture for you. Okay.
Okay.
See, today's date. Beta. Today's date 19th October 2020. Our subject is play, do and learn, and today's our topic is hospital. Are you able to see the picture of this hospital?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Then this is a
Doctor.
doctor. Yes. This is a
Nurse.
okay, very good. This is
Patient and doctor. Nurse and
patient.
doctor.
Patient and doctor and nurse are there. Very good. This is
Ambulance.
ambulance. This is emergency ward. Okay?
Emergency ward.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Continue.
Huh. So the hospital is the place where the people go for a medical treatment. Okay? The hospital is the place where the people is go for a medical treatment. There are lots of doctors and nurses are there. And are ready to serve a patient and help them to get a ride of a sickness. There are many doctors and patients are there for treating a there are many doctor and nurses are there for treating a patient. So nearer hospital is always good for us. A near hospital is near for us is that always good for us. So hospital is the place where the people are come for a medical treatment. Hospital, I'm repeat again, hospital is the place where the people come for a medical treatment. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So in the hospital we see a doctors, right?
Yes. Right.
Can anyone tell me regarding the doctor? Anything regarding a doctor? Can anyone tell me?
Nurse.
Doctor. Anyone tell me regarding the doctor?
No.
No?
Injection. No.
No?
Injection.
Okay. No problem. Doctor is a dedicated person who treats everyone equally. Okay. Doctor is a treat everyone equally. Hmm. Doctor is diagnose the patient and prescribe the appropriate treatment. Doctor is diagnose the patient with the help of, what is this?
Allah.
What is this?
Allah. Allah.
Stethoscope. So doctor is diagnose the patient and prescribe the appropriate treatment. Okay. Doctor is a person who save our life. Doctor is a person who save our life. There are many kinds of doctor, like dermatologist, psychologists are there, pediatricians are there, cardiologists are there, gynecologists are there. There are many kinds of doctor. Specialty doctors are there. General physicians are there. Okay. So doctor is a person who treated all the patient equally. Doctor are treated all the patient equally. Doctor diagnose the people and describe the appropriate treatment. Doctor is save our life. Is it enough for all of you? Information regarding doctor, is it enough?
Yes.
Understood all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Then second, we see our nurses over there, right?
Right.
So a nurse is a symbolized service and humanity. Nurse is a symbolized service and humanity. She wears a white uniform with
Yes.
a cap on her head. She wears which color of uniform?
White.
White color uniform. Yes, she wears a white color uniform and cap on her head. She is a very punctual and hardworking. She is very punctual in his work. She is very punctual in his work. A nurse is a trained healthcare worker. A nurse is a trained healthcare worker who serves the patient in the hospital. A nurse is a trained healthcare worker who serves the patient in the hospital. A nurse treats all the type of patients, including those infected by a diseases. Nurse handling all the type of patients. Understood?
Yes.
Nurse handling all the type of patient. There are no any kinds of nurses like a doctor. We see a different kind of doctor, but a nurse handling all the type of patients. The sister of mercy. Nurse is known as a sister of mercy. A hospital need a nurse to run properly. A hospital need a nurse to run properly. Okay? Understood regarding the information of nurse?
Yes.
Yes? So we saw doctor, we saw information regarding a nurse. Then the third important part of the hospital, that is
What part?
no, patient.
Patient.
Yes, this is a triangle. Nurse, doctor, nurse, patient. This is a triangle. Okay. So the third, that is a patient. We see patient in the hospital. Many patients. Why they come in the hospital? Because they feel uncomfortable or they become ill. Several pains are there.
And fever.
Yes.
Fever.
So
Yes.
they become ill. The patient is become ill. That's why they come to the hospital.
Hospital.
Okay. So the patient is the person under a healthcare. A patient is a person under a healthcare. A person who required a medical care, a person who required a medical care is called as a patient. A person who required a medical care called a patient. A person who under a physician care for a particular disease or a condition. Patient is a person who under the care of a physician for a particular disease or a condition. Patient is a person who under a physician care for a disease, particular disease or a particular condition. So we saw information regarding a doctor. Doctor is a treat equally for the all patients, right? Doctor diagnose the patient and describe the appropriate treatment. Yes. Then we saw a nurse. Nurse is the sister of a mercy. Nurse is a trained healthcare worker. Nurse is a punctual in his work, and a hospital need a nurse to run it properly, right? Then we saw a patient. Patient is a person who required a medical treatment, a medical care, a person who under a physician care for a particular disease or a condition. Then we saw a medical department in the hospital. You saw the medical department, a special, there is a special space, one place for a medical department in the hospital. So in this medical department, various type of medicines are there. A particular hospital prescribe the medicines, and these medicines we got in the hospital only. So this is a medical department. We saw a variety of various equipment there in the hospital. Like we already saw a stethoscope, right? Doctors are diagnosed with the stethoscope. If we need injections, so the doctor give us injections. Yes, they prescribe some medicine. Doctor prescribes some medicine for us. If we become ill for the fever, so with the help of this thermometer, this is called a thermometer. With the help of this thermometer, doctor or nurse measure temperature. Okay. With the help of this thermometer, doctor, either nurses, measure our temperature. Okay. Then we saw a lab. We see a lab in the hospital. Lab. Okay. Blood lab is also there in the hospital. Collected blood sample of the patient is tested in this place. Blood sample. A nurse collect the blood sample of the patient and it it give them to the lab. Give them to the lab for a testing. Understood?
Yes.
Understood? So lab is also one of the important part in the hospital. Laboratory is also there in the hospital, and it is a one of the important part of the hospital. Why? Because the collected blood sample of the patient are tested in the lab, and the lab will give them a report. So the doctor is aware regarding the illness or the disease of the patient. Okay, it will help the doctor to prescribe a proper treatment. So lab is also a very important place, or the lab is play a very important role in the hospital. Then we see a various ward in the hospital. Emergency ward we see, general ward we see, maternity ward. So many wards. Surgical ward is also there. Surgical ward, the doctor is uh, uh, surgery over there. So the surgical ward is also there in the hospital. Okay. So then we saw ambulance standing in front of the hospital. We see a ambulance standing in front of the hospital. Ambulance carry a patient from his place to the hospital. Ambulance carry a patient from his home to the hospital. Okay. So we saw all the information regarding the hospital here. Now we see a word. Okay. You repeat after me. Hospital.
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 Hospital. Hospital.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Doctor.
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 Nurse.
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 Nurse. Nurse.
Loudly, huh? Patient.
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 Patient. Patient.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Ambulance. Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Injection.
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 Medicine.
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 Okay. Now can anyone tell me regarding the doctor? Now can anyone tell me regarding the doctor? What are the doctors are doing in the hospital? What are the doctors are doing in the hospital?
पेशेंट के लिए आते
And
it comes to the patient.
they come for a patient. Yes.
They come
And
for
what they are doing? What they are doing?
चोट लगी रहती है उनको देते हैं मेडिसिन ठीक होने के लिए.
Okay. Or
medicine.
and when you are going to the hospital, and that time what are the doctor doing with you?
He is giving injection.
Okay. And
No.
Firstly,
बीबी चेकअप करने का.
he checked with the stethoscope. Yes.
Stethoscope and is check.
Then he give you the medicine.
Yes.
Yes. So doctor is first check the patient and describe the medicine. Prescribe the medicines regarding the disease.
Medicine.
If it is essential, if it is necessary, they give us an injection. Yes. Otherwise, they give a sweet medicine for children. Right? They give you a sweet medicine, na?
No.
No? Then they give you an injection?
Yes.
Yes. So the doctor is diagnose the patient, check the patient, and then prescribe the proper treatment or prescribe the medicine. If it is necessary, then they will give an injection to us. Okay. Then second,
Okay.
we see a nurse, right? Anyone tell me regarding the nurse? What uniform she wear?
White uniform
Yes, and
and cap. White topi.
a
And
cap, a white cap on her head.
head.
What she is doing in the hospital?
Yes.
What she's doing in the hospital with the doctor? What she's doing?
He's
Huh?
helping the doctor.
Yes, nurse is helping the doctor. Exactly. Nurse is helping the doctor in his work. Very good. Very good. Nice answer. A nurse is helping the doctor in his work. And the second name of the nurse we called a sister.
Yes.
We called a nurse as a sister also.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So we called a nurse as a sister also. Then the patient. What is the patient? What is meant by a patient? Hmm? Yes, Rehan, what is meant by a patient?
इनको टाइम टू टाइम चेक करते. Catherine.
What is meant by a patient? A patient is a person who
पेशेंट को टाइम टू टाइम चेक करके टाइम टू टाइम मेडिसिन देते.
who gives the medicine to the patient time to time.
He एडमिट होते तब.
Who gives the medicine time to time for the patient? Who gives? Doctor and
Nurse.
nurse. When the doctor is not there in the hospital, not there in the specific ward, that time nurse give the medicine to the patient time to time. So that's why the nurse is a very particular in his work. Okay, in her work. Okay. Then
Okay.
we will see a information regarding a patient. What is mean by patient? What is meant by patient? Can anyone tell?
Healing.
Say loudly, beta.
Healing. Healing spell.
The person who required a medical treatment is called a patient. Okay. The person who under the care of the physician for a certain disease or a particular condition is called a patient. Patient is a person who required a medical treatment, medical care. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And which types of ward we see in the hospital? Which ward we see in the hospital?
Emergency ward.
Huh? And very good. Emergency ward. Then
HC ward.
which ward? Huh?
Obedi.
General ward.
General ward.
And
Or ward.
the place when the surgery is going on, this place is called which ward? Which ward is this? The surgery is going on.
Operation theater. X-ray.
Medical ward. Yes, when the surgery is going on, this place is called a operation theater. Very good. OT. OT. Yes, operation theater. Very nice. Excellent answer. The work of the ambulance. Can anyone tell me the work of the ambulance?
Driving patient.
Carrying a patient. Yes. Ambulance. The work of the ambulance is called work of the ambulance is carrying a patient. Carry a patient. Very good. So here we discussed regarding information regarding the hospital. You give the excellent response. Okay. So thank you all of you. We end our session with also a song. Are you ready to sing a song?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So start the song. Every day.
Every day. Every day.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I meet my friend.
I meet my friend.
And we are say hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm great.
I'm great.
How about you?
How about you?
Hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you? I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm great.
I'm great.
What about you?
What about you?
Na 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 na. Every day.
Every day.
And play.
I went and play.
I meet new friends.
I blew to friends.
And we all say hello, hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What you rain?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you want to play?
Do you want to play?
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you want to play?
Do you want to play?
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay, thank you all of you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press a bell icon. Okay, thank you so much.